Do you want to report a seller on Facebook Marketplace? You can report a product in the marketplace with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To report a seller on Facebook Marketplace, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap the Marketplace icon at the top or bottom of the screen. Now you are on the Marketplace home screen. Browse or search for the item listed by the seller you want to report. Tap on the item to open its listing and view the details. At the top right of the screen, tap the three dots icon. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, select Report Listing. Again, a pop-up screen will appear. Tap the Continue button. Now, choose the reason for reporting and provide any additional details if needed. Tap Submit to send your report to Facebook. You can also report the seller from their Facebook Marketplace profile. The seller will now be reviewed by Facebook, and appropriate action will be taken.